I want to give you a brief tour of the formatting options available for styling text. So I've got a test page here, and I've just entered some lorem ipsum text, and I'm going to show you how to add subheadings and bullet lists and links. Those are the main things you'll have to do when you're editing and formatting text for a page or a news entry. So let's open this page within Expression Engine, and here it is here, my test page, and here's our text, and we have formatting options up here. And one useful thing for me to point out is that you can adjust the size of this text editing window by dragging this icon here. So I can move it downwards there and just create a bit more room for myself if I need. The first thing, let me start with these very simple formatting tools here, bold and italic. If you want to make text bold, you simply highlight it and click the bold button. If you want to make it italic, just highlight it and click the italic icon. You probably won't need to do that very often, but I just wanted to show you how you could use those two icons. And as you see, it works in exactly the same way as a text editing, a word processing program like Microsoft Word. You just highlight the text you want to format and then you click the relevant icon. If I want to add a bullet list, let me add my bullets here. Okay, all I do is I select them and then I click the bulleted list icon here. And when I publish the page, that text will be rendered as a bullet list. If I wanted to make them a numbered list, I could do so. Let me just reset that text by, all I do to reset it is highlight it and click the bullet list icon, and then I click the numbered list icon. So that will show the bullets as a numbered list. The next thing I want to do is show you how to add a subheading, and all you have to do for that is add your subheading, then highlight it and click H2, and that will ensure that the text will appear as a subheading when the page is published. And finally, I want to show you how to add a link. So you just select the text that you want to make into a link. Let's just choose that. And then we go to this world icon here, with the little world with the chain, with a chain in front of it. You click that, and it opens the link dialog box. And this gives you the option to use this structure drop down here to add a link to a page on the Diocesan website. So say I want to make that link, that text link to the home page, I just click on that structure select menu and then I choose the home page here. You see that this list here, this shows you all of the pages within the site. So all I need to do is click home, and then you can see here, not very well unfortunately on this occasion, but what it does is that it enters the link to the home page in the URL field here. Then I click OK, and when I publish this page, this link here will now link to the home page. There's one other thing I should show you in regard to links. If you want to add a link to a news entry as opposed to a page, what you need to do is to go to that news entry, So say I want to make a link to this St Ninian's news entry, and then you copy the address of the page, and then back in our entry form, we highlight the text that we want to make into the link, then go to link, and just paste the link in here. Unfortunately, the system at the moment doesn't provide a means of adding a link to a news entry in the same way that you can add a link to a page. Hopefully that will change in the future. But for now, you just need to paste the link to a news entry or an event entry into the URL fields and then click OK. There's one other thing actually to show you. If you want to make a link to a file, you select the text that you want to make into the link, then you click this icon here, File, and this brings up the File Manager window, which allows you to go to the Resources section, which contains all of the files. If you want to upload a new file, you do so by using the Upload File link here. Let's make a link to this file here. Okay, when we publish the page, that will be a link to the file I've just selected. And finally, you have another option for editing text. You can click this button here, Maximize, to get a really big view of the file editing window. So if you feel that the other view is a bit cramped, you just click this icon to expand it, and click it again to put it back to how it was. Okay, now you click Submit, and let's have a look at our revised page. And here it is, with the text that we specified as being bold, italic. There's our bullet list with the numbers, and here's our subheading, and these are our links. So that's a basic introduction to how to format text, and everything I covered there is what you'll be using 99% of the time.